Okay, to replace your trimmer line, very easy. First thing you do is remove the battery. You don't want to have any kind of mishaps at all. So remove your battery, and on the bottom of the spindle you'll see this is the bump portion where you bump it on the ground to expel your trimmer line. But you'll see two little arrows. When this is new, they're white. Mine are getting a little worn, but they're white, and you can see right here. Let me find a stick here. Right here, if this gets worn, you'll see, just a second, truck's coming by. There we go. You'll see on here where the arrows are, this little section here is smaller than the other little cutout sections. So if the arrows get worn, that's how you can tell. Let's see if I can get that a little bit closer. You see this little section right here is smaller than all the rest of them. So on this little green part, it has a straight line, sort of like the head of a screw. You want to line that up with these white arrows. Take your trimmer line, straighten it out as good as you can, and let's just, sometimes a little bit harder than other times, not harder, but let's just make sure this is, there we go, make sure this is pulled out all the way. So let's just push that straight in. There we go, no issues there, and just keep on pulling it out until the line is even on both sides. A little bit trickier to do sitting down. I usually stand up when I'm doing this and just stretch it out with my hands. So once you get these to the same length or close to it, just grab your head right here and just turn the screen part. Push down and turn. To the right, and it will pull in your trimmer line. Keep going with this until I get most of it in. Now you'll notice right here, there is a little contraption here that will make sure the lines are cut to the same length once it's on. Anyway, pretty easy, no issues at all. There we go. So now I am ready to use this tool again. Easy process, very easy process.